When I was young, I could have been out enjoying myself. Writing was sheer hell. A beginning writer, unless he's lucky, feels completely out of place. Awkward, useless, nervous. He's obsessed with successful writers and people of the arts. He hangs around them. But nobody notices him. And he's too afraid to look anyone in the eyes. He's like a compulsive gambler without any money. I never knew who my readers were, but I had this vision of them. Hostile, unimpressed. I was afraid of the public, terrified of it. And whenever a new play of mine opened, I always thought the people with dark hair hated it, and the ones with blonde hair were bored by it. It's horrible. When I'm writing, it's not bad. And doing the final editing, that's enjoyable. But once it's published, I can't stand to read it. I can see what's wrong with it. I realize I should never have written it. And I'm depressed and miserable.